What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. All right, and for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love. All right, so please consider subscribing, and you guys leave me a comment and tell me what you think, and word up to me, give me that thumbs up. I appreciate that, and click that reminder bell so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a perfectly tender London broil. Now, first you're going to have to marinate it. Now I'm going to show you what I use is my lovely Licious marinade. All right, so I start out with some garlic powder. I got some black pepper. I got a little Italian seasoning. I got some soy sauce and some Worcestershire and some lemon juice and a couple of lemon slices that I had extra left over. Now, you want to marinate it overnight because you know a London broil is quite tough. So you want to tenderize it by this. And this here is perfect marinade for it. Now, look how good that looks, you guys. I've had this is about 2 pounds marinating overnight. You at least want to marinate it for 4 hours. Overnight, you're going to get them flavors. Now, I got some leftover vegetables, some summer squash, some zucchini, a couple of herbs and spices, and some mushrooms. We're gonna saute with this over here, this sweet smoky Joe's. How about that garlic butter? I'm trying over that from smoking and grilling with AB. I'm gonna add a little bit of sea salt. I've been on this sea salt, smoked sea salt. It's like a hickory deep smell. I'll show y'all in another video what it looked like, but sprinkle a little bit of that on there. Okay, let's get started. Now, since that garlic butter over there is kind of a little salty, I added in some unsalted butter, and we're gonna let it marinate for a minute and sit to the side. Now, you ready for this London broil, boy? I'm telling you, this is trust me, you need to use the marinade on this. You won't forget it. Now I'm gonna start out with a low broil because I don't want to burn it and dry it out. Okay, so while I'm doing that, I got some butter here, unsalted, some chives from my garden, growing some onion. And so I cut a few of those off because it was getting wild and crazy, but we're going to use that. Now, some bacon bits that I fried a while ago. They were fresh, and I don't want those to go to waste, so I'm going to sprinkle some on these vegetables. Why not? All right, final countdown. We're getting there with the London broil. Woo! You guys, I'm teaching you how to make the perfect tender London broil, okay? Now, teach you got to cut against the grain, all right? Don't you go chopping it at against the grain. It's going to be tough, all right? Got them lovely, delicious juices from that beef. I'm telling you guys, you just want to pour that over that just a little bit because we got that lovely, delicious butter getting ready to come up on top of this here. Unsalted. Now, this meat, I'm telling you, I can't stress it enough, marinating it in this my secret. It ain't no secret no more. Now y'all know, but it get it nice and tender. All right, so I'm teaching you guys how to get it nice and tender. So look at that. And we're gonna put these vegetables on top of there. Hey, I overcooked them a little bit. I had to tell you guys a funny story. So on top of here, I have some lemon that I had grilled, and I just got them up here for decoration, right? And I forgot to take them off of the plate when I finished. And so my husband ate one of these, and he came to me and said, "Babe, what was that I ate? Was that one of the vegetables? It was nice. It was all bitter and tart." I was like, "I don't know. What are you talking about?" He said it was some nice tart, and I said, "Oh, you ate one of the lemons. I forgot to take the lemon off." That's what his butt get. So, you guys, thanks for watching What You Cooking, Roach. Until next time, bye-bye.